while we are talking of industries, we must remember that the manufacturing sector of any country acts as a backbone to the economy of that country, because it is a very important sector, and here it has helped in modernizing agriculture and given a boost and employment in the secondary and tertiary sector to various people. Now, let me explain it to you further. Because of the manufacturing sector, the agricultural sector has got modernized. That means where 5 people were required in agriculture, now only 2 are required. But it is not generating unemployment, because due to the manufacturing sector, there is a great demand of the people in the secondary and tertiary sector, which means it is a balanced sector, giving boost to all the 3 sectors. Therefore, definitely we can call it as a backbone. Next is, since it is providing so much of employment to the people, it is a very big factor in eradicating poverty and unemployment in India, which means again an impetus, again a big factor in giving a push to the economy of the country. The manufacturing sector has also reduced the regional disparities. Now, ask me how. How has it done so? Because people have started manufacturing units in even far flung areas due to various factors. It could be the cheap labor which is available there due to the unemployment, and in the big cities the labor which is there is actually very expensive, or maybe due to the availability of raw material. So, when the manufacturing units are getting shifted or have been started in far flung areas of India, that means it is a step forward in reducing the regional disparities in India. When so much of production is coming out, when so much of manufacturing is being done, naturally there is an expansion in the trade and commerce of the country. When trade and commerce of the country is on an expansion, that means again a big boost to the economy of the country.